How to check a member variable with py.test skipif. In my setup function in a test case, I set a member variable is underscore type to true or false. I have a few tests in the class which shouldn't be run if the value is false. I don't know how to do this with the skipif functionality. Self doesn't work for question mark since it's not in the object yet. How can I refer to the is underscore type variable? More complete example. How can I transform that if not self dot is underscore dynamo into a py.test skipif condition instead?
As you mentioned, you can't refer to an instance in your skipif markup, since the instance doesn't exist yet. I would keep it simple and do something like you can use at pytest.mark.skipif on classes too. The documentation on this feature has some good examples. Many of them relate to checking parts of the environment to decide what tests should get skipped. This sounds very similar to your use case, so I would say you are in good company. But if, as you say in your comment below, you want to avoid global variables, you can raise a pytest.skip exception from wherever you want. Below I'm doing it in a fixture, which I think keeps test setup well separated from test cases. See the documentation for more possibilities. Here is my test file. Here is the test output.